personalmente.
Hey! Hey, get the down. Get down. Get down. Don't hurt me. Get down. Get down.
Today we're breaking down a traffic stop that turns into a dangerous pursuit. I'll pause only at key moments to explain what changed, what the officer noticed, and why this situation escalated so fast.
Oh my God. He almost ran over an officer. Hello.
How you doing, sir?
The reason for the stop, your license plate is improperly placed.
I know. I'm taking my mom to a doctor.
Let me see your driver's license.
I left my water at the house.
What's your name? What's your social? Yeah, you can't put it, inside the vehicle, you're still in violation. All right, sir, it's going to be a warning for that. Wait right here, I'll be right back with you.
At this moment, the officer suspects the driver is not being honest. This is important because a simple warning now becomes an identity investigation.
It's going to be a warning for that. Wait right here, I'll be right back with you. I think he's lying to me. He gave me a social, and I'm looking at this warrant, and the social is very similar. There's only one letter off. Yeah, he's lying to me. This is going to be him. Can you work on getting a photo for that warrant, and let me pull him out of the vehicle before he runs on me?
Notice the officer tries to pull him out calmly. He even explains the reason clearly. This was the chance to avoid everything that happens next.
Can I talk to you back here? Armando?
No, sir.
Let me just talk to you back here.
What's up, man?
I just want to talk to you back
About
here.
what?
Are you lying to me about your name?
No, sir.
You sure you're not lying to me?
About what?
Did you give me the wrong social? Stand outside the vehicle. I have to take a photo of you. I'm going to confirm who you are. I'm not going to place you under arrest. Don't do this in front of your mom.
Do what?
Refuse to step out of the vehicle because
you're scaring me.
No.
What your intentions are if I give you my name and everything?
My intentions are...
This is the turning point. The officer warns him that if the warrant matches, arrest is coming. The driver now knows the situation is serious.
What your intentions are if I give you my name and everything?
My intentions are to confirm your identity. I'm going to go get my phone and take a photo of you. If I confirm that that's you, now I'm going to come back over here and I'm going to have to tell you, hey, you're under arrest, and then I'm going to yank you out the car if you don't want to step out. And I don't want to do it in front of your mom. I really don't.
Hey, look, man, I don't have no warrant. I had a ticket warrant, that was
okay.
it.
I don't want to arrest the wrong person. It's probably not you.
Here the pursuit begins. One decision changes a traffic stop into a high-risk chase, with his elderly mother still inside the vehicle.
It's probably not you. Just wait right here, okay? Very narration so far. Show me the 1080. 3 David 605 West Coast. We're going eastbound on Dicker.
For eastbound on Baker, Black SUV with Colorado. Attention Valgo County, 3 David 605, in a 1080 eastbound on Baker from 23rd to Black Hills, Colorado.
Speeds at 80 miles an hour. Just for a 1014, there's going to be an elderly female in the passenger seat. So male subject as well. Coming up to McCall, still on Dicker. He's slowing down. Speeds at around 80 to 90.
Eastbound Baker, approaching McCall.
Alright, we're coming up to some heavy traffic. We should be slowing down here shortly. Still eastbound, passing Amarillo Drive.
Eastbound on Baker, passing Amarillo.
Once he slows down, I'm going to step a bit. Alright, now we're going northbound on King.
Huge passing by me. For DPS units surrounding agencies, unit 3 over 605, unit 1080, with a black Nissan Murano, northbound on Cage, passing by E Road.
Still northbound Cage. Just cleared the levee. Cage. Going up to Rancho, Blanco Road, and we'll be passing it. Speed's at 90.
This is one of the most dangerous moments. Stop sticks are being deployed, but the suspect's speed makes the officer on the road extremely vulnerable.
Speed's at 90. Coming up to Whole Acres, let you know what he does here.
He almost hits the officer. This is why police now treat the chase as much more serious than simple fleeing.
Coming up to Whole Acres, let you know what he does here.
On Cage and Hall Acres.
As the suspect approaches the stop sticks, we calculated the speed of the suspect using their distance traveled over a 5-second period to be approximately 73 miles per hour. As the officer deploying stop sticks positions himself in the middle of the road, the suspect heads straight for him.
128
Oh my God. Alright, let's go. He almost ran over an officer. I believe it was a constable. He's trying to set up spikes. He can swerve through his unit into it. Alright, still northbound, coming up to Ridge Road.
Now the suspect appears to brake check the officer. That increases the danger because the officer is trying to stop the vehicle without causing a major crash.
Come on. Still haven't conducted the pit, trying to catch up. Eastbound Ridge, picking up speed.
.128, 8 minutes out.
Alright, what's the He tried to brake check me. We're going to be going northbound on the road that starts with K.
I'm coming up westbound on Business.
We're on Pine and Linden.
Hey!
The chase is over, but the risk is not finished. Officers are shouting commands because they don't know if he will fight, run, or reach for something.
Hey, get the down. Get down. Get down.
Don't hurt me, don't hurt me.
Get down.
Don't hurt me.
Get down.
Don't hurt me. Direction. I'm down, bro.
Get down.
I'm choking. I can't breathe. I can't breathe. I can't breathe. I promise I ain't going nowhere.
Get down!
Hold on.
Get down!
Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back. I can't breathe. Hands. I can't breathe.
Your back.
Get those legs. Breathe. I can't breathe. I can't breathe.
Shut up.
I can't breathe.
Yes, you can.
Linda, somebody get to the vehicle. Yeah. Give me up. I'm sorry. You gotta go on here, man.
I'm not. Dude, he wouldn't give up. He hasn't worn. His grandma's in the car, though. Or his mom. She's an old lady.
How old is she?
She's old, dude. She's like 70 plus.
I'm out of shape.
Here we learn his mother is 79 years old and shaken. This makes the chase even worse because an innocent passenger was placed in serious danger.
Ma'am, ¿estás bien?
¿Lista?
¿Qué tiene su hijo? ¿Qué trae o qué? ¿Necesita ayuda?
Problemas, sí.
Necesita ayuda. Mira, dale gracias a Dios. Dame un momento aquí. Tengo que tomar fotos. Hey, she says she could drive.
You want me to get EMS out here?
I think so, man. It's gonna be a 79-year-old. He swerved into you, bro. The spikes got caught. I saw that. I didn't take the little thing out, so I threw the spike. I took the whole. And I was like, so it looked like he was gonna go around, and then I started coming back, and he swerved. Like if he would have stayed in a straight line, he wouldn't have hit him.
That's it. Nothing on your knees? Nothing
Nah. Hey, relax.
You gonna feel good?
Listen, whatever happened, happened. Let's start fresh. I'm gonna take you to the hospital. We're gonna get medically cleared. Go ahead, step out. Stand right there. Let me adjust these handcuffs. Just relax. That's your injury. This is all loose. I'll tell you what. Let's walk to my unit.
Hey, my mom.
She's good. We have EMS on the way. Well, because I don't want her driving. The car is damaged.
He's drivable, just defend it.
I don't want it on the road, man.
Don't tow it, because my daughter ain't got no money. She has to go to work. Wake up.
I was behind you, man. You swerved into that deputy.
No, I didn't. I swerved away from him. The chains were there. I swerved away from him. Come on, Mr. Legato, don't put that on me, please, man. I'll never hurt one of you guys, man. That was stupid, ignorant. You know, I'm scared. Hey, sorry, just give her the ID. That's my money. It's only $35. That's my money. I just. Can I get my envelope that he has in his hand?
Yeah.
$35 in there.
What's this, cash?
Yeah.
Okay. You want to take this money with you?
Yes. All right. And that envelope too.
And he wants that money. That's like her envelope or something like that.
So
His envelope.
It is her envelope.
Okay.
Because her
ID's in there.
ID is in there.
Okay. Hey, she's claiming that's hers.
I said I need it for the county. So I just took it out the bank. Let me talk to my mom, please. Please, sir. Please, sir.
Oh man, look at you got my unit all messed up here.
You gotta give me on the body.
I didn't. Who me?
You.
I'm pit certified.
You jammed your door.
I'm pit certified. You don't run from us. I'll tell you who tried to kill who. You tried to kill that deputy.
No, I did it. I swerved away from him.
That was the scariest thing.
I swerved away from him.
That was the scariest thing, man.
Mom.
We're gonna sit her down. Relax. You put her through too much right now. Put your foot in. I'm gonna throw her up with them.
Please, Mr. Legato.
Appreciate it. Thank you. Okay.
Please, can I speak to my mom? Are you gonna let me speak to my mom, please?
Yes, I am. If you just behave and relax.
Can I get this water?
Yeah, your back gate was open, so he just ran through the gate. He didn't damage any property or anything like that.
Please, can I speak to Mr. Legato? Please.
She doesn't want to speak to you, man.
Please, sir. Yes, she does. Please, let me speak to her. Please, Mr. Legato.
Listen, what do you want to tell her?
So let me get that $35 so I have my money.
Okay, I'll tell her to put it in your books. I'm not releasing this car to her. I'm sure she's shook up. Yeah. Hey, we're calling family members. They're gonna take you money. Those $35, she's gonna take them to you at the jail. I swear to God.
I'm sure this real quick.
I can't because she's getting checked out. She is very shook up.
Can you go outside and just tell her something out the window? Just something real quick.
Oh my God, dude, seriously. Tell her something. Hey guys, can he yell something at her?
Mamá, te amo. Hey, ese dinerito déjame llevarlo por comprar.
Seriously, dude. She.
Gracias, ma.
Before we get driving, I'm going to read you your rights. You have the right to remain silent. Do you understand these rights?
No, sir.
You don't? Okay. But that's fine. I'm not going to ask you any questioning. You do understand.
Sir, please, I'm sorry about that charge.
Whatever the video showed, what way did you swerve? What way did you
left,
swerve?
and then I went to the crosswalk when he ran across.
Nah.
I did swerve left, and then I came right.
I saw him running right. You were going right.
No. He went to throw the thing, and then when he started to run right, that's when I went that way so I could miss the chains. Come on, Mr. Olivares, don't put that on me, man. I'm already going back to prison because of my parole. Please, sir, don't do that. My whole life, I've never harmed an officer.
All you had to do was get out, man.
Please don't put that charge in. I know, Mr. Olivares.
All you had to do was get out.
This line explains the whole case. So many lives were put at risk. The officer is pointing out schools, traffic, his mother, and the deputy on the road.
Chance. I told you what was going to happen. I was super transparent with you, man. Super transparent. That's fine. That's fine. I don't care about the charge. That's fine. I'm not going to put you to charge. Whatever you want, man.
No, please.
Whatever you want.
Are you being serious?
This is you're the one in charge here right now.
No, you are, sir.
I don't know.
You are, sir. I'm just
where.
talking to you,
Stop begging me for that. You're pissing me off. Okay. You put so many lives at risk right now. So many. Look at this. School hours, kids coming out of school. You got your mom in the passenger seat.
Just got scared. I don't know why I got scared. I'm sober. All
it was a simple warrant.
Yeah, I don't know why.
Simple warrant.
The suspect's 79-year-old mother was checked by EMS at the scene and was not injured but was shaken and later calmed down. The suspect, identified as Jose Rivera, was already wanted on an outstanding warrant related to a previous DUI offense. He was ultimately charged with multiple offenses, including evading arrest with a vehicle, evading arrest with a previous conviction, failure to identify with intent to provide false information, tampering with physical evidence with intent to impair, possession of a controlled substance, resisting arrest, search, or transport, parole warrant, and attempted capital murder of a peace officer or firefighter, totaling a bond of $165,000. However, the capital murder charge was later dismissed by court order and did not proceed further. Jose Rivera is innocent unless proven guilty in a court of law.
This case shows how fast one bad decision can turn a minor stop into life-changing charges. Subscribe for more breakdowns where we pause the footage and explain the details most people miss.